Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It can be already was
Walaikum
declared
salam.
Kormut कि ऐसे Dr. Mubin Ahmed Shah Said him basically Kashmir Chamber of Commerce's president is Elson Motors us Akbar Mashhur Maruf now Kashmir Mans. He is one of the owners, but आज करो ना इस मुबीन साहब से एक ट्रेड लीडर हैसियत कत की 5 अगस्त 2019 मं यम सात मुबीन साहब अरेस्ट आव कर पत 3 रेतन आगरा जेलस मज आव तावन आज करो अते पे स्टोरी शुरू मुबीन साहब वेलकम इन दिस प्रोग्राम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू
वालेकुम सलाम शुक्रिया जनाब
It's Karo, simple. We would like to understand what actually transpired between you and the government of India. क्या दलील गई यम सत यम योतान मामलात वत कि US government intervene करन तुहंज रिलीज मूजूब गोडनुक सवाल प्रथा मुबीन साहबस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया क्या आई इस मजबूरी कि तुमन पे अख ट्रेड लीडर जेल थाउन तो पत पे सो आगरा सोज
बासान अख चीज कि मैं एक्टिविज्म कोर्मुत आफ्टर 2008 पर्टिकुलरली बनो प्रेसिडेंट चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स 2006 to 2009 तम पत बह जॉइंट चैम्बरस प्रेसिडेंट 2012 to 2014 मगर 2008 गो तम सात रूज सन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कश्मीर चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स इट वाज ऑन द फोरफ्रंट ऑफ दैट अमरनाथ जो डिबेकल गो तमो दित सह जमीन अत पहलगाम मज we opposed it, Kashmir Chamber of Commerce, and we became very active at that time. And at that same time, jam saat pat su economic blockade jem kyo kor jam saat gayes be involved jum Hurriyat leadership was timo bana pat tem saat a coordination committee. That coordination committee maz osus buti so facilitation गई तथ मज अख चीज कि अस कोर ट्रेडन कोर तम सात अख बड़ बोड रोल अदा टू गेट दिस ऑल रेजिस्टेंस लीडरशिप ऑन वन प्लेटफॉर्म तो तन पे यम सात कह गसान अत कह कह मतलब मज कोर बह हाउस अरेस्ट यम सात सह GST मसल गो मज कोर मे पासपोर्ट बंद क्या पता कि वन मे बिजनेस आउटसाइड इंडिया ज्यादा तो यमो कोर पासपोर्ट एक लट वरियस बंद पत तम पत कोर 3 रेतन बंद तो यह सा ये टू कीप मी मान तो अंडर कंट्रोल इन द सेंस कि यह सा ये मे बासान कि यम सात यमो अरेस्ट कर तम सात ऑलरेडी as because I was also at that time a part of a civil society organization in Kashmir, and also at the same time we had made a trade body, one single platform where all the trade was represented. That sort of I was also a figure in that, and we were also at that time discussing making seminars on 370, on 35A particularly, and we went to Poonch, other places. Timo basho me basan ki of that their organization or organized way to fight what they did on August 5th, 2019. So switch me basan reason the main important reason कि मैं चु पन dozier actually वुचमुत कि after 2008 के बाद उसमें the main point in the police dozier was that they had told that they had nominated me as one of the members to be responsible to facilitate the resistant leadership on one platform. That was the only reason, number one. Just one tune biak sawal to American governments why, how they did it and all that. Well, I relations in America, particularly my cousins and all, and my son, such an American citizen. They fought for me, and and we saw for the first time after August 5th, 2019, non-resident Kashmiris came together to fight for the rights of Kashmiris. That was Mumanak, because I was I was not a politician. I was a trade leader. So, they put me forward as an example that what India is doing to people in Kashmir, and that is why my name was more, became more prominent in that sense. Yeah, and there being a lot of Kashmiris who are there, and they naturally fought for me, each one of them, and they, had Senate hearings in which my name was mentioned number of times, and result was that we saw which I came to know after my release was that the Indian government finally came under pressure of the American government. Basically, Bab Yaman Sui. Unkes America, scholars America go ahead, I said, scholars August 5th, 2019. And it is, becoming more and more sort of fikri osmut this concurrence, sorry pattern basically Israel and just Palestine teaching stage by stage. That like varia very karnas emotion various Palestine as Satat variant much wotmut Israel Hindustan 2019 war implement rules, regulations, laws so that finally she aim minority so soon trade leader target trade leader, that means nobody is politicians, a part of his job you can say is that he can have to go to prison, but not for a trade leader. It is not his sort of, it doesn't come in his curriculum as such. The magar so that and that is what they did.
Correct.
And this is what is the result of that. Trade leader, civil society leader, they know that because law is a lawless country. India is a lawless country particularly in the case of Kashmir. It's a lawless country. Law chalan, Supreme Court, main case Supreme Court it was, I had gone to Supreme Court. Normally, Pandan Masjid case to decide. Yeah, that was decide maximum. 1 month. For example, just the threat sort of just against so lawless country, persons worldly persons, that is what it is. This is what is basically the reasoning of after this.
Correct. So what I can understand is when samjit basically so you had played a key role in uniting the resistance leadership through your trade counseling in 2008. But my point is, what is the importance of unity in resistance leadership, according to you?
Which is important, I have practically seen it in 2008. 2008. They should remember it. 2008, the whole Hurriyat leadership was divided, and it was not, there was nothing happening in 2008 as such. When we got that issue of Amarnath thing, and then the thing happened that we created the first civil society people created a committee called Action Committee Against Land Transfer. You see, so yes, it had inherently a blessing from the Hurriyat leadership also, but at the same time, it was led by the civil society. Bar Association president came, but he was the person who was the president. I was the vice president, and another trade leader was the vice president. And temsa to wuch aisi ki agar asa karom leadership ikvata telna gasni ki government will do what they have to do. And when we brought that Hurriyat leadership and they also spoke in the same voice, it became a force. The first time, I remember one of the Hurriyat leadership, when we got the government to take back its order of that, he commented that this is the first time after 1990 that we have achieved something. And that was only achieved because of joint leadership. Thus, go pata develop into joint resistance, JRL, go pata develop. But the basic story of Karna Temisa 2008 and Timan Persani Fikri ki leadership is zaruri ak platform. They can have their own views about certain things, but when it comes to the main thing, until unless they do not come on one thing very prominently, then people will not neither follow it and neither become a strong force.
Let me follow up this with another question. What should be that one single point agenda, one thing yet with leadership platform must be? What is that single point agenda according to you?
See, according to me, Jetpad release Gumu Telpad Agatu me Godnuk tweet which you Godnuk Facebook post which you, because that was the only way I could communicate with the people in getting right of self-determination. Because that's the right of self-determination is much division even as Farikas ya nafas for a leaders. This actually is the fact on which 2008 also, when the Hurriyat leadership came into the forefront, when the economic blockade was done by Jammu, they came then in the forefront, in the coordination committee came into play, and this is the one slogan on which everybody was agreeing, that right of right of self-determination should be there, and that is Yasin Sahib and Molvi Sahib. All the three were on this right of self-determination. And if you see, and if people will recall all the interviews which Gilani Sahib gave after 2008, or for that matter, Yasin Malik Sahib, or this thing, or Molvi Sahib, they were all on one page. That is right of self-determination.
So right to self-determination.
Slogan
Perfect. So right to self-determination is the only way forward according to you and according to your experience in the past with the resistance leadership.
Exactly.
Since now we have been hearing that on 15th August, there is a possibility that government of India under pressure from America is going to restore statehood, or they are going to give something as called as Article 371. Magar me itna question. According to your previous experience and according to our experience with the India in last 73 years, is statehood or Article 370 revival by any means relevant to Kashmir conflict, considering the betrayal which Hindustan as such when you can payment satan varian kor is hekwa human cheezen pet Hindustan as barus karit ya kath karit to hun rai kya chaat mutak
James Sadhguru released Koros in August, in November. After 4 months, I was released. In December. Alliance and all that. When they, came out, resist and karo. Agar to isu myon te post wuchu ya ka wuchu again for them, to tell them what we want as Kashmiris. as the me want timanti menuma yisor up. It may be also a game which they have been already told how to play. It is all a setup. The Jesus calls us a yum te one and right of self-determination. Jesus calls us a yum must consider current traitors. And that is why. Yumo Batke line humans right from the very beginning in 1947 and 1953, or let us say after 1953. You know, agar yim sui thavan ki right ki look khasa gasan wanen ju neron tos gonmut yimo UN Security Council man tos yimo agree kormut agar yim tan pete to sui thavan to ekis naras sit rozan agar resistant leadership team sui to yim ti asan timni sui. So result would be we would have also all time gumut first jaise gumut kashiri because finally chu Kashmir manun kya timan kya zarat. Jesus calls the majority of the people of Kashmir decide their fate, and that is what the UN Security Council resolution is all about. And it is now Pakistan, for example, Imran Khan. It has been actually in the constitution of Pakistan from the very beginning, but Imran Khan explicitly declared so that there is no confusion. No confusion and no nothing of this sort. Ki yes, yes, this kind of question pursuit, this kind of question first. So I am on this. Ki Jesus scholars ne Jimmy Gupta Alliance shit. Jesus scholars ne ke wayan earth platforms for right of self-determination. Jesus scholars seem study traitor, and they should be treated like traitors.
So this is very important for all of us. Article 370 or statehood is irrelevant unless and until we don't get right to self-determination. Now the most important, most important and the last question I would like to ask you. 15 August ceremony chimo Kashmir man kanam. Ak, hum ke vanan yum to school chu. Tamasa che sanyum zalim foji ais. Tamata gay to toy mara hasan gay to moments mooded. Pachate tawo to school to what Tender Navan Pet. Zabardashti Kanta, which was Central University Mazao, Jana Gana Man Parnam. The way as I say, Handostani Kim Janda I Halna. What is your response? Response, guys, considering you have a massive experience in trade and now in politics, what should be your response for the 15th of August 2021?
Which was actually you see Im Karani, man is up team taught to make it because it had no value. You see, these are all done under occupation. Under occupation, they can do anything. And as for example, Jamsatu, for the country government, British Jamaican Karan, you ban, who ban. Timsi my Gasan Farak, Lukan much change Gasa. Lukan change. Janagana Machume yard, Bachmanas Mazim by force Parnaman Asi, Yazi Tulnaman Tude, no cinemas, no cinema films Makalan, but the Janagana Mana. I was in school and you know, says moving to some Broadway cinema, Shamna Sydney, just as on Broadway cinema was in Batwara. Where the whole army Chamni was there. And usually, even an army officer tells us film of which they would not stand up. They would not stand up for their this national anthem, whatever they call it. And result go कि एक लड़ गए ऐसे एक army officer से लड़ थी filmers, but we still refuse to do it. क्या कि दिलस में जो सिर्फ कश ज़हन मान सो हिंदुस्तानस सह कुछ साल गो अंडर प्रेशर करनावान नेशनल एंथम वनावान तम क्या पे that is not going to make any difference in the खिलाफ इवन हिंदुस्तान मान हिसाब जूत याद कर तम ज्यादा हिंदुस्तान ये बदनाम तुम the people of Kashmir will resist more and more of that. You know, this is my feeling because me bachpan mein pan wuchnu. Okay, I was from a business family, but I would also not get up. A lot of people would not get up, and they were not afraid. We were not afraid.
Correct.
So each because agar look under pressure, we can understand they can come under pressure. Because regarding my new wife, for example, so we have to, question regarding this thing. It is important that we have different ways of resistance.
Correct.
By that, issue ke matlab ABC bani Hindustan, no, it is not possible.
So my point is, how should we react on 15th of August and what naming about these places?
Naming of this place. Counter narrative. Counter narrative khara. For example, yim kardan nav kan school nav karan kansin nav pe. Oi karo counter narrative khara ki for example suppose ashi beta bag. Oi karo tas Burhan Valley nav. Kashi karan gasan tor kun just gasi jemist occasion ai tat ki kun jay Burhan Valley. Like me chu pata brunch gomu takt likmit Pachutimo remove almost by force government. Magar Dilasmus is one of sorry Koshir one of Burhan Vani. Just the social media spread Kachi can't catch it. Sudmani Beta Valleys, Burhan Valley. Is a kind of Lola Valleys, Manan Valley. It I can for them can choke chess, important choke. Tim Karo Spanian shade in Navas Patis. But Karogi that can leave them when you want narrative build guys. Yim Kartan Katikar, Ashra Panun, it's so on Muluk. Uskara Pan, you say Pan Uschahanch. So Agar Yim cheese Kara, Ustikaro Pan narrative Kada. I have got too many flag, Chimana, near flag, Kalusa, Kukarusa, Yikarusa. Bujuzban Akshi, Bujuzbagar Koshid Yum Tichi, Kim Kurta Pana Makan but black flag. As a resistance, it is a form of resistance. Can now Nachaladi, Nachiki, call black flag on 15th of August. That is it. To show them that we are not just Otrogor, suppose trade ni Korasu, Yasai Kachunao, Dukan Kirik Band, full of Futrevik and all. They cannot do anything. Kota Kotan. Shakulan Karena, Shakulos used Brumotos, Nakunusha, Trumonsos, Brumotos, but you all knew and father no one Timon Donas, Tim Karan, Agar Pakistan, Yasayo, Karatum, Japan, Yasayo, Kachuna, you could push back to other patients.
Correct.
We can relate to the second Varia, don't push back to Azad Kashmir, because they resisted towards Sheikhullah and then against Bakshi. So, this is a part and parcel. Agar aisi kabun chu, agar aisi matlab azadi ch thanding to im cheez experience. Because buchus unke exiles mas. Tu chu exiles mas. Matlab aise kya zarurat hai us exiles. Usti karo, usti butro was bukara. Matlab yasa ye jitimo mein won ti kara. Makar I decided that I should go out of Kashmir and I will stay out of Kashmir. That is it. Till we get inshallah freedom.
Inshallah. So what about the 15th August? Should people observe strike and shut down?
Protest zaruri to protest. Because yimo chizo ch wanan ki hai wain kya banyo MC kya dra matlab yim sat ase trade leader te timon dohan yasa ye kun waqt karan criticize karan kun leadership magar you cho a form of protest by which it doesn't harm bodily harm but it's a form of protest to register our protest against the occupation. That is important. All the badal for trade purposes, I mean to say, or whatever it is. But form of protest, it has to be there. There has to be protest in there. You see, street retreat. Which are signing government man, signing mahalan man, har ekis mahalas, har ekis gamas man, chisahan shahi. Kati, timan chu government man ya, timan mahalan man, panni jai karun nominate ya kus shahi chu most prominent or whoever has done. Tadi street karin tadi na. Tim karan pane banni pat inshallah bronch kun timai na rozan chalu pat. We will erase all their names, inshallah. when we become free. That is our we are looking towards that. Inshallah, it will happen.
Correct. Thank you very much, Dr. Sahab. Thank you for time. Yem khatra lukan sait kat karna khatra. It was very important the way they have curbed our leadership inside Kashmir. So it was your role to stand up and deliver, and you delivered at the proper time. Shukriya. Time guzarna khatra. You were in khatra to lukan sait kat karna khatra. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ji. Thank you. Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Thank you. Salam.